Me, manners. Don't forget.
Mimi loved playing in the classroom. She had cars, blocks, and dolls all over the floor. She zoomed a little red car, then stacked big blue blocks, making a happy, colorful mess around her. Whee! Mimi giggled. Soon, Teacher Lily clapped her hands. Time to clean up, everyone. Mimi looked at the big mess. Her smile faded. Oh no, she thought. It's too much work. I don't want to. She felt a little grumpy and just wanted to keep playing. Teacher Lily knelt beside Mimi. Mimi, when we clean up, we make our classroom safe and neat. If toys stay on the floor, someone might trip and get hurt. And when everything is tidy, it's easier to find our favorite toys tomorrow. Mimi thought about someone tripping. She didn't want that. She picked up a yellow block, then a red one. It wasn't so bad. Soon her friend Leo saw her helping and started putting away his cars too. They smiled at each other as they worked. In just a few minutes, the classroom floor was sparkling clean. All the toys were back in their baskets and shelves. Mimi felt a warm, happy feeling inside her tummy. She had helped. Now the room looked so neat and ready for more fun tomorrow.